In this video, we will be featuring 3 tips that I can give for every Steam Deck new users. If you just got your hands on a Steam Deck, here are the 3 quick tips to get the most out of it. First up, you can always tweak your performance settings. Lowering the TDP and frame rate caps can extend the battery life, while boosting refresh rates gives you smoother gameplay, especially on heavy keys. And if you want extra features just for gaming, you can always install Deck Loader. It lets you add custom themes, battery widgets, and more, which makes your deck truly yours. The Steam Deck isn't just for gaming. You can always switch to desktop mode to browse the web, run emulators, or even install Windows for a full PC experience. And that's it. Try these tips and level up your Steam Deck experience. And again, thank you for listening.